loves, good afternoon. Today is Tuesday. And hindi na ako nakapag-vlog loves nung morning and then till kanina kasi nga hindi ko naman iniisip na magwa-vlog ako. So gusto ko lang tong i-document yung pagpunta namin ng GP today. Kasi today loves yung schedule namin for vaccine kasi nagpa-appointment si Mr. ng vaccine para sa aming tatlo para pag-uwi ng Philippines. Parang si Mr. sinabi niya na we need a vaccine para parang prevent lang ba kung sakaling wag naman, pero prevent lang yon kung para hindi kami magkaroon ng any sakit sa Pilipinas na sana wag naman. Halimbawa, mga dengue, something like that, o mga rabies, mga typhus, something like yung mga, kasi dito, pwede kang pwede kang mag-request ng vaccine, advance, dapat talaga advance, hindi naman yung week or 1 month, dapat makapag-vaccine, dapat advance, 3 months or 2 months, na dapat makapagpa-vaccine ka, nung vaccine na dapat, pag lalabas ka ng bansa dito sa England halimbawa, para prevent lang ba para hindi ka magkaroon ng ganong sakit. So yun, pwede naman siya as long as hindi pa up to date, hindi ka pa nabigyan ng ganong vaccine since nung nandito ka. So carry naman. So load lahat kami. Though yung anak ko si Raiden, kailangan niya talagang magkaroon ng vaccine kasi meron siyang schedule talaga ng pag 2 years old niya, meron siyang vaccine, yung influenza vaccine. So aside doon, parang bibigyan ata siya ng another vaccine para prevent na rin, para pag nag-uwi ka ng Pilipinas is secured siya, safe siya. So ganun. So ayun loves, meron kaming update, appointment today. I think after 30 minutes or less than 15 minutes, alis na rin kami ng bahay. So yun, yung mag-ama ko nandito lang sa living room. Outfit? Wow! Your outfit is so nice. Simple. Maungin ko sana siya, labs. Papasutin ko sana siya ng maong paresko. Kaya lang naisip ko kung di ba tuturokan siya, vaccine, baka sa legs. So sabi ko yung soft na lang pasuot ko sa kanya para easy lang siyang hubarin, tsaka pagka sinuot niya ulit, hindi gaanong hard sa skin niya. So ito lang. Yeah? Yes? You're so sweet. You ready?
Back on. Bobby.
Bean?
Yeah, black bean.
Wait second. Let's put the black bean first. Babe, can you open the car, please? Babe, can you open it, please? Alright then. Have to go. Sana maganda yung weather. Ano ba yan? Nakakalungkot yung panahon dito na okay lang kung halimbawa, syempre nag-a-adjust pa naman ako, pero pag halimbawa ngayon na sinabi na summer, so nag-expect ako na kahit pa paano mahaba-haba naman yung init, pero halos 1 linggo ng maulan loves, and maulan, malamig, so parang nakakalungkot kasi nga syempre parang short lang yung summer dito, pero ito pa, nag-uulan pa, malamig pa, so wala tayong magawa. Masasanay din ako, alam ko, pero sa ngayon syempre nandun pa rin ako sa adjustment, and syempre parang nakakamiss din kasi yung labas-labas, di ba? Kapag winter naman, spring, almost sa loob lang ng bahay. What is it, Raydem? thought there's no limit there.
There is limit, of course. It's always.
Kasi nagbabala kami, loves, na pumunta ng ng park. Pag halimbawang maganda yung weather, maglakad-lakad naman kami, punta kami ng park.
Maybe it's better to get the stroller and just walk 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's fine. It's just like I just want to grab the opportunity that the weather is sunny, because I don't know, maybe after half an hour or 1 hour it's gonna rain again.
Yeah, but you have to decide who wants to go short, like 1 hour, or who wants to go a little bit longer and it don't be
1 hour I think it's enough, because it's not so early now. I think we finished there 3:30.
okay.
And if we go to park after that, so before 5 p.m. we can come back. Tired? You always tired. You just walk. Kakababa lang ng car, tired na daw siya. Good luck later. Alam kong may iiyak. Lahat kami, loves. So, una muna si Mr. Papaunahin ko. Tapos second ako. Then last na siya. Kasi kung papaunahin namin kung si baby boy, iyak to ng iyak na. So, hindi na makapag-focus. So, kami munang adult. And then, last na siya.
We have vaccination today.
You have an appointment?
Yes, we do.
What's your name? Okay, just bear with me 2 seconds.
No problem. Oh.
Oh, umiyak siya, loves. Tapos na kami sa vaccine.
Please, I'm crying with.
Yeah, it's okay. You've been brave. Tapos na kami sa vaccine, loves. So
Crying babes.
ako 3 vaccine. Meron pa akong isa after 4 weeks. Si Mr. dalawa. Meron pa siyang isa after 4 weeks. And then ang baby boy ko is 2. Both arms. Super iyak siya. Pero you've been brave. You are very brave, my boy.
Please, I'm crying with.
You crying?
We're crying with.
You've been good. So, treat daw kami ni Daddy ng ice cream kasi umiyak tong little one namin. So, ice cream tayo,
How
loves.
do they have here? But they should have. Let's have a look.
No, you've been brave so much. Punta kami ng shop, loves. Dito kami. Hanap kami ng ice cream. Wow, you have ice cream? Yummy! And you know now how to eat ice cream. Maybe we can share.
You have to money bite or eat it.
Can I bite?
You have to show him the
Like this, oh. Bite.
Bye.
Thank you, babe. Kain po tayo, ice cream. Marami yan. Hindi naman yan mauubos. Ice cream? Look at your... Tingnan mo yung face niya. May makalat. Mamaya punasan natin yan kasi naiwan yung wipes sa car. So, uwi na tayo. Punta kami ng park. Pero baka uwi muna kami tapos mag-park doon. Kasi, let's park in the McDo 1 hour and then we can go to the park. Just quick, honey. Oh, look at this. Look at this, my boy. You've been very brave. 2 vaccine, left and right. You are so good boy. So windy. Nag-park kami doon patio sa baba.
How many hours? And of course, sometimes I'm gonna use 2. You might also need using 2.
Look
if
at
you
the
want to
cloud,
do
babe. It's
something.
really nice, yeah?
That's nice.
Yes, it's clouds.
Yeah.
Clouds.
Clouds, really nice. Go. Ready. Step. Oh, 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 oh.
Look what Daddy.
Okay.
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 Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Slowly.
Slowly. Slowly. Slowly. Oh, 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 oh.
What's that?
It's alright. You can do it. Come on now. Daddy's waiting.
Come on. Come on, because lava is coming.
Come on.
Lava is coming.
Yay! Very good. Are you ready? Ready, steady, go!
Woo! Well done, Raiden. You're doing so well. How was that?
Mommy's turn.
How was that, Raiden?
Daddy.
Raiden, how was your slide? You happy? Okay, let's see Mommy. Mommy gonna be happy now. Wow! Wow.
Ready, steady, go! Wow! Wow! It's your turn, Daddy. He's waiting. He's waiting. Look, he's looking at you.
Okay.
Okay, Raiden. Raiden, come on here because Daddy is quite heavy. He's gonna jump on you. Just control yourself, okay? Woo! Yay! Hey, this is not for the dog.
Okay, guys, maybe we're gonna go slowly.
Okay, after that, let's go now slowly, okay? Okay, let's go. Say bye-bye, Doc. See you later. Wow, look at this. Look, can I read it? I've had my vaccine, NHS. Wow, good job. You had your vaccine. You've been very brave. 2 vaccine. Both arms. Yeah. Hello, good afternoon. Nakauwi na kami ng bahay. Yeah, this one. Nakauwi na kami ng bahay, loves. And then, magluluto ko ng adobong atay, balon-balunan. So, walang manok, walang meat. Just atay, balon-balunan lang. And then, parang puso. So, si Mr. naman magluluto nitong kapit for him and for little one. So, ito yung loves. Lulutuin ko. Ito balon-balunan. And this is your... And, yes. Start na tayo.
First, you have to chop ham or bacon and fry it. Then you add it paprika until they're gonna get nice and gold. Once they're gonna get nice and gold, you add it onion. Because onion is got to be just nice and soft. It cannot get dark.
So, this is kapit, loves. Ano siya? Polish food. Ito naman yung adobo ko. Pinapakuluan ko lang ng konti, tapos lalagyan ko na siya ng suka. And then later on, toyo.
Wait, I'm gonna just put some juice.
Konti na lang, loves. Ay, hindi pa. Kakalagay ko lang ng toyo. Ang adobo natin. Mamaya, kasi antayin ko muna siyang medyo mag-dry ng konti yung sabaw niya. Hindi naman super dry. Kasi, pag nagluluto naman ako ng adobo, iba-iba naman. So, ako naman, nilalagyan ko ng konting sabaw. And then, Kay husband naman is tapos na siya luto ng kanya ng Polish kapitka. Ito yun. So, ito yung sa kanya. Nice. Yummy. Sarap yan, loves. Gusto ko rin yan. Si baby boy kumakain na siya. Slice ko lang siya para lumamig agad. Yes? Yummy! Luto na yung ating adobo, loves. Yan na siya. Kain na tayo. Luto na siya. Medyo may sabaw-sabaw talaga siya. Pero, okay na. Carry na. Kain po. Hindi man siya perfectong adobo, pero masarap po yan.